I'm Mr. Jacobson, and I'm always trawling for swatches. Today we look at the GK276 Titi Parisien swatch. An homage to my favorite and most beloved city in the whole world, Paris. This is the city I simply cannot wait to get back to. This whole watch just screams France with a color scheme of red, white, and blue. Oh, memories. The dial is light blue with a white Eiffel Tower and red hands. The second hand is narrow, and as you can see, this watch has a battery, so it ticks. The strap is plastic, which is a bit of a bummer, but it has a sort of a roadmap of famous Parisian places. There is not a single detail on this watch that doesn't bring your mind to that mythical city. The back, though, has nothing of interest. It's simply blue. But that works. The whole dial is centered around the Eiffel Tower, which is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. I've left the cover sticker on the dial because I just feel so proud of the fact that I managed to get this in such good condition. There also seems to be some kind of a shooting star going around the side to 3 o'clock, which may indicate that this is supposed to be at night, when the Eiffel Tower lights up every hour for 5 minutes. On the strap, as you can see, you have a lot of place names, and the design is blue, dark blue, white, and red. And it's just so classic, and if you've been to Paris, you'll recognize the design of this thing immediately. It's almost as if they designed it like some kind of cheap tourist trap souvenir. But this is a swatch, and therefore it's awesome. As I've said before, I'm not a fan of these plastic straps. They're not very comfortable and just feel as if they're going to break at any second, which is a shame because I really want to use this watch. Guess I'll just have to buy a new one if the strap breaks. And now finally I get to put this thing on my wrist. My wrist, as usual, is 7.48 inches or 19 centimeters or 0.000944 furlongs. The swatch has standard classic dimensions: 34mm case width, 39.2mm case height, and 8.75mm case thickness, which means that it fits under your cuff. As usual, I'm wearing a white shirt because I think that swatches work so well with white shirts. But honestly, you could wear this watch with anything because it's awesome. Bear in mind though that this strap is particularly shiny, so if you're against shiny objects, then this watch isn't for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mr. Jacobson. Have a nice day.